Hello, all guys. Very nice to see validators in our community call. And yes, congratulations. Last upgrade was successfully passed, and I already started work with second one, number 4, and already finished 90% of all stuff that need to be done, and I already put tag version 4 release candidate 1, and it includes Cosmos SDK upgrade, IBC upgrade, Tendermint to Comet BFT migration, and also WASM virtual machine upgrade with all latest features and bug fixes. And also the new feature that I already added and now polishing bindings from SDK layer to contracts. It's a new model, token factory model, which will allow to mint tokens, native tokens for every account. And so that means it will be possible for everyone on you launch your own token. And also this feature will be used to issue to mint personal neuron tokens with bonding curves. This is work I started 2 years ago, but it's not whole architecture finalized, but now with rewards and Cybertensor boosters, neuron boosters, which allow you to support any community member, any neuron in the ecosystem, and make investments on their future rewards for learning from consensus. And so Token Factory is first movement to deploy this. And yes, as proposed before, that I told before, I'm going now to make upgrades each 2 months, and add a lot of things, because in Cybertensor and boosters and a lot of things that drive us a lot, and which we would like to bring to community and to the project. And so this release candidate, me and Kirill are already testing right now, and also Cybe team are preparing and testing upgraded test integration with new release of client library, because code of blockchain of chain itself changed and little bit API, so they need to test also Cybe migration and prepare for the new upgrade. So all these things are in process. And also me and Cybe team, we are polishing application, Cybertensor application on SpacePussy.ai, and it's almost done and will be ready, I think, in 1-2 weeks, which will allow to join Game of Tensors for two graph subnets. We already launched P2P subnets and make releases of our Python SDK, Rust code, and subnet templates, and made instruction for validators to join and test new software and join P2P subnets on Cybertensor deployed on SpacePussy. And now we're almost ready to onboard community, which would like to make cyberlinks, learn network with any data, and take rewards for this, for learning. And Cybertensor already deployed. We made a proposal from SpacePussy community pool to take tokens for game itself and for developers, and as rewards for new subnets deployed. So that there are a few options how to earn Pussy from Game of Tensors. And Pussy also will be upgraded soon, as I will finish current bostrom upgrade. We will start CyberCongress will start to update with validators SpacePussy chain, and then we will launch. During this process, we will launch Game of Tensors very publicly in Twitter, with docs, with announcements, with presentation, and a new game will be started. I think it will be a huge movement for projects, for our projects, and bostrom itself, and SpacePussy, and for community. That's it.
Nice, nice. So quick summary is the next bostrom upgrade is coming up right around the corner. You're working on a Cybertensor application that's going to roll out in the next week or two on SpacePussy.net. Subnets are already available to be created, but the user interface of the community, this application you're building, like that's going to make it easy for the community to interact and earn Pussy tokens on SpacePussy network via the Game of Tensors. That's a question. That's a question. This application will make it easy for the community to get involved. Yes or no?
Yes, right. Application will allow to put whites to vote on other neurons, friends, bodies in community who which make cyberlinks, and learn some subgraphs inside the cybergraph. And yes, we would like to make this application understandable. And yes, I think 1-2 weeks we will polish, and everybody then can join and participate in Game of Tensors.
Cool. Will the user experience look like bostrom currently does, or is it like a whole new? Probably not too different, but is it unique looking or?
It's same application that's already deployed on SpacePussy.ai more than 1 month or a month and a half, but we would like to finalize things related to neurons who put whites for cyberlinking inside the application.
Cool. Okay. Nice. I'm just making the image in my head of what it looks like. And then you're also working on the SpacePussy upgrade. Okay, that's quite a bit. Quite a lot, Cyberhead. Very nice. Does anyone else have any questions on that? Nope.
Is there any dashboards related to the existing subnets?
Yes, there is in the in on SpacePussy.ai in menu on left side there is a link to Cybertensor, and there is on this page there are links to a dashboard. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but for root subnet, for other subnets, most of them which are, you can see now it was created during early testing period, but now validators, for example, in P2P subnet organize through the subnet number 1. So you can open the link, build a subnet from subnet template code base and just start to participate in rewards.
Happy.
Sergey, you have to add something.
It looks like
Thank you.
showing in the stream a little bit of what these neurons.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, demo time.
Demo time. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, there's your mic.
That's much to say. Now it's like simple version. We discussing how to improve UX, add some game features. Maybe Stepa will after show design how it will look like. So
Please show us all pages. Please show us all pages and staking and subnets and whites page. All.
You see, yes?
Right.
Yeah, so subnets I showed. This is delegators page. We still polishing some things, so it's work in progress version. You can see the different delegators, total stake, appears fake information for now. For example, if choose, so you can stake on this delegator. See who nominate to it.
I like Master Side with 42 pussy staked. Of course, he did 42. I like it.
Information about me, so my stake, and if I delegator who delegate to me, it's the same page that you saw on delegators, but related to me.
Yes, and very great movement that we are using moon passports here. So yeah, on SpacePussy, on different blockchain, we are using moon passports deployed on bostrom. So this is first application outside of site.ai, which use moon passports. Please show us whites page.
Sorry, it just clicked in my head. So the bostrom moon passports are being used to read. You're reading those in this SpacePussy network. I see the connection.
this is White's page. We discussing some refactoring, how is better to set whites. So for now, was this decision to move like to this table, and you can choose what whites every neuron should have. You can go to its I would say, Valera, maybe you explain how it will be easier.
The basic idea, yes, this is what I told during my exploration about that we need 1-2 mix to polish this. So idea is pretty simple. When you on each subnet, for example, you joined, started to participate in subnet which build knowledge around AI or medicine or software 3.0 or blockchains or Cosmos itself and cyber. So there are all these semantic conventions. It's different subnets, and you join with your stake to one of these subnets, and you can start then make cyberlinks around this topic, around this part of the graph, and start to receive rewards. And also participate in the distribution of rewards to all other participants of this subnet. And this we now developing page where you can browse all content which created by any other neuron on this subnet, who cyberlinked his data, his knowledge, MEMS, everything to this keyword, to this topic, and assign whites, assign your vote, what is your subjective measurement of value of engagement participation of this neuron. And all other neurons inside this subnet do same thing. And this allows to Cybertensor contract backed by UMA consensus distribution reward algorithm, and start to receive rewards, start to receive pussies by cyberlinking.
Beautiful, beautiful.
We need more pussies.
We need more pussies.
Soon.
Liquid pussy, that's what we really need.
You just need to stake on SpacePussy validators. This is liquid staking derivative which we built.
It's never been so easy to get the pussy.
No. It's the reason we live.
And supply of pussies on the SpacePussy chain is rather more than on Bostrom network. I mean, like 1,000 times. So you have a chance to get trillions.
Trillions. Cool.
Cool.
Did you finish this demo, Czeslaw?
Yes, I think. It will be better improvements with gamification. Maybe
Please do this page as I told you, like first iteration, as we discussed before. Okay, we will discuss later.
Can you repeat?
We'll discuss later. I asked you just to make this page as the initial variant that I told you, and then we will make iterations.
Yeah.
Separate page with whites, set whites box, chooser or slider. This like button, but with percents.
So you're asking about this page? Yes, it was, but we had interface call and decided to do some changes. So maybe if you want, we can discuss it after call.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sergey, would you like to add about Game of Tensors? Sergey Pink.
Yeah. Так. We're moving forward for it. We already prepared for first subnet, and now I'm working on the documentation. I think in the next week we will be ready with documentation, interfaces, and concept of Game of Tensors.
Great. El Nivo, is he still here? Or did he leave? Oh yeah, he's here. How's that sketch migration going? 90% complete? 99, 95?
Yeah, hi everyone.
Nice.
So good. Yeah, it's still going. Around what you said about the completeness. Now we're focusing on improvement for interface of Cypher, redesign of main evidence. I think I did show it the last time.
You did.
Working with guys on Tensor. Now in progress, and unfortunately, I think it's nothing to see yet, but it's in progress. Thinking how it was mentioned before, we are thinking to how to make it more to dive in for like everyone. So this is the point. This is what we are doing right now. So I'm without demo for now.
Nice, cool. No, that's enough. Thank you. Is this the time where we do network stats with CyberProfit? It might be.
Yep, let's try. What I have here today. Share screen. Okay, number 2, number 1. Screen. Guys. Hello.
We can hear you.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank you
we
so
can hear
much. Feedback. So what we have here, we have 40 active neurons from the previous week. 40 active neurons on the previous 2 weeks. 6,000 cyberlinks were created, and they were even not unique cyberlinks. So somebody created cyberlinks created by others. What we see here that MC Merit made the most impact here and AI Medica is on the second place. Cyberros is the third one, and Cyber Goodwin is on the fourth place. Yep, and here is my account. So these are the stats. These are the stats.
Incredible. Very nice. It's cool to see the slight changes, even if they're very small. So thank you, CyberProphet.
Thank you.
Is there anything else anyone wants to contribute on the team?
Yes, would like also to mention I'm also working on P2P layer based on Waku to connect to make like messenger for models. I mean LMs. So it will allow to easily connect for your deployed Llama CPP software with any enabled model, and also all other projects like this, and connect all these models to the P2P network, where they can exchange the text toads and communicate with each other. And also, connection management will be based on smart contracts deployed on bostrom and SpacePussy also. And so now we have fully connected tokenomic and business itself into our project. So they are peoples and models, both of them, and robots, which participate in cyberlinking, create, deploy facts, learn network, add and share their knowledge or memories, and they participate in curation, in ranking of data created by any other inside the network. Then they can earn rewards based on their knowledge, and from this knowledge, models learned from data from Cybergraph itself can be taught, and these LMs can start to participate in communication with each other, and also produce more knowledge and make cyberlinks. So yes, this is with rewards and with models that can participate in cyberlinking, and you can search also through the Cyber AI with models deployed on network. Ask them. This will be a real collaborative system for collaborative learning. And this is how we will grow superintelligence.
Nice. I saw the Waku thing. I forgot if it was in the announcements or what, but yeah, they seem. I don't understand anything about it really, actually. So
This is projects framework and foundation to build defined communication protocols on the top of P2P network, where each node can deliver messages. So this is like P2P messenger. So it's basically easy, because, for example, they use project like Status, and this project use Waku for communication. And this project was born from Whisper, which was like in 15 or no 16, 17, 2016, 2017. Started started, and so this pretty long path for this messenger and a long history, and it's just, if you will start to look for any solutions, this is not the best solution, but that's possible, but best and only one what we have. So, and the idea to provide this messenger for models for LLMs itself, so they can communicate with each other, with different systems prompts, with different tasks, with their own wallets, and also participate in cyberlinking, sharing knowledge, and also extract knowledge and from others, from Cybergraph, and improve themselves.
Nice, and I
Wow.
imagine. Yeah,
It
go ahead.
sounds really cool. Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes. So it's basically for small language models. Is it correct? And what kind of models can be contributors to this P2P network? Are there any limitations, or it doesn't matter, like any API will fit?
Doesn't matter. So this is actually like messenger, and you can connect everything, any model, any server with launched model, even not no, this is what we would like to, but it's you can if you would like to, you can use your open API API key and launch your API proxy and communicate in this P2P network using OpenAI API and GPT-4 or 3 or any what you will choose. But this is huge experiment, because all these model, different ones, with defined by different people all around the world, ideas, values, and knowledge what this model built on, and connect all of them in P2P network, where they can communicate, and that if they would like to share to the common graph and knowledge, then can make cyberlink, they can learn from cyberlinks from Cybergraph, and these models can interact with each others on light speed, and any neuron will be available in curation of this game.
Cool. And this kind of P2P network are for knowledge sharing. So what about like payments between the models? Can they like use some type of currency in order to, for example, if I have like some private data that I want to share only with this particular model, so can this model buy this data from me, for example?
It's possible to build on the top private data, and from early stages, I would like to add wallets and their own accounts, smart contracts for all these language model deployed neuron on the network, and then these models can earn tokens, they can hold tokens, and they can pay tokens for any task, any things they would like to.
Cool. And where should I look for updates of the development? Is it like on Cyber Congress, GitHub, or any other place?
Of course, Cyber Congress GitHub, and also in announcements in Telegram and in Discord, and join early stages of Game of Tensors. We already made documentation. Sergey deployed it on the GitHub, and you can start to participate, start to learn new software, new understanding what our plan is and what we are doing from the beginning. And
Вот как я
turn
считал.
to your tokens for learning.
24
Yeah, sure.
25 раз, 2, 3, 4.
I think that's you just said the understanding that you receive. Like when we use the resources that, this bostrom cyber has been building, you do really begin to understand on a deeper level, like why this exists and why we need it right now, and especially in this age.
Раз, 2, 3, 4. Ну вот как вот.
So it's a cool process to be a part of this community overall.
4, 5, 6. Вот, да.
Vladimir, please turn off your microphone. We can hear you. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, can you repeat the last sentence you missed?
I was just showing appreciation, basically, that being a part of the community and using the application and the network helps cultivate understanding of why we need it and what it could be used for, to see the vision. So participating in Game of Tensors will allow me and others to see that vision and be a part of it.
Right.
Yeah. Does anyone else have anything they want to ask questions about or add before we part?
Yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for the updates, and we already passed the documentation to start the miners and validators. So to our community, so we will prepare in the next few days. So we will be online also. Thank you.
Give us any feedback on documentation or understanding in Telegram chat or here in
Yes,
Discord.
sure.
Tag me and Sergey, and yes, we will appreciate early feedback, and we'll start to onboard community for Game of Tensors fast very soon.
Nice. So I know CryptoPunk just showed up now, but I think that might be it. Shall we say goodbye? Any objections?
Let's get more liquid pussy, guys.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, fam. Thank you. Thank you, Cyberhead. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Ciao.